Hi crypto owners, today in this video I will show you best way to use faucets, addressing problems we frequently face, and I will give tips tricks too. So watch the video till last. Let's talk about problems at first.
Most of sites are scams, so you won't get paid. Very little earnings. Very high withdrawal limit. Irritating pop-up window ads. Like this.
But we aren't here to complain about problems, we are here to create solutions.
The simple solution to these problems is a small 4.5 MB app that doesn't eat your RAM.
How this app solves these problems? Let's see. Scams. The faucet on this app are 100% legit and pay instantly to coinpot. This app has multiple faucets, so your total earnings will be high. This app is collection of high-paying faucets, that is more earnings. Since all payment will be to coinpot, so withdrawal limit will be reached in short time. Inbuilt creative pop-up blocker that faucets can't detect. Let's take example with Moonlight Coin. I clicked on a pop-up ad element. It asks permission for browser. Now I don't want pop-up, so I just pressed back key or touchback in my phone. Want to know how to use the app? Well, it's easier than you can imagine. You need to have coinpot account. If you don't have, then create by going to coinpot.co. Click on register, and then input your details and get registered. After you open the app, click on start earning. You will see many options. You need to claim from every faucet if you want more money. You can convert coins, so claim every coins. When you click on a faucet button, the faucet automatically opens like this. You don't need to do anything. You can scroll to end if you want other faucets. When you select any of faucets, you need to provide email. You need the email you used to make coinpot account to earn from faucet. After you provide email, you can log in and claim. So now it's time for pre-promised tips tricks. Use a faucet as much as you can, 5 times or at least once a day. More times a day equals more earnings. Don't fall for ads and Bitcoin faucets because almost all of them are scams. But if you see a appealing ad that covers full screen, the ad is from Google and almost all are legit. Like this, you know Facebook is real. Likewise, any Bitcoin ads that comes here will also be legit. Don't fall for fake ads in faucet, but if you find appealing ads by Google, then it's safe.